Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back, and today we're going to be discussing Pyth or Pyth. I don't know how to say it. It's around 1 billion, let's just say it like that. I don't know why every coin we've done recently is at 1 billion. I guess has like a threshold. I guess is number 61st right now. In terms of market cap, 155th in volume, so not that good. It's had a bad year, I would say. Since it was started at 34 cents, it's at 29 cents, so I guess it's not down that much. Circulating supply is 3.6 billion. Total supply, let's just say 10 billion. Its all-time high though was recently, and always that's a good thing. So it was $1.15 actually back in March. From the all-time low, it's up 30%. So there's not much really to say here in coin market cap. Like, it's not that much. It is an oracle. The best way to explain it, I guess, it's like Chainlink. Here are the holders. Really one of the best tokenomics I've really seen so far, out of like 61 I think coins that we've done. We could see here they mentioned the 10 billion Pyth tokens. So this total supply will not increase. Furthermore, 85% of the tokens are initially contractually locked. Locked tokens unlock 6, 18, 30, and 42 months after token launch. This scheduling is designed to produce a gradual increase the unlocked token supply over time. The remaining 50% of Pyth tokens are initially unlocked. The supply of both locked and unlocked tokens are allocated per categories shown in the first diagram. So we can see here, it looks better here. So the distribution goes, majority goes to the publisher, and majority also goes to the ecosystem. So not that much for like private sales like VCs, and also it goes to protocol development. So who are the publishers, you may ask? The publishers are responsible for publishing data, price data to the Pyth protocol. So basically people that kind of like validate all the data that's gone in. So I think it's really one of the best tokenomics we've seen. And the vesting schedule, everything is gonna finish. I think it says here, so in like what, 3-4 years. So I think that's pretty good. Let's see the video and see what they're all about. Their website is okay. Not the best, not the worst, but I like it. So let's watch the video.
What makes a smart contract smart? Is it the way it's written? Well, sort of. What makes a smart contract smart is the quality of the data you feed it. And yet, much of the real-world data that blockchain applications use, whether it's cryptocurrency, stocks, or commodity prices, come from third-party aggregators who are themselves dependent on another source for information. If the data they receive is flawed or a second too slow, well, you know what can happen, because we've seen it happen before. For DeFi to reach its full potential, serving billions of people and securing trillions of dollars, it needs highly reliable, latency-sensitive data of the highest fidelity. It needs a solution custom-built for the future of Web3. Pyth Network is that solution. Pyth is a data oracle designed to meet the security, accuracy, and scalability needs of DeFi. It sources its data from more than 80 world-class market participants, including exchanges, market makers, and financial services providers. This ensures the highest degree of data accuracy and reliability. Pyth also updates its data every 400 milliseconds. This ensures that time-sensitive quotes are delivered in real time. It is also the only oracle to provide confidence intervals, which represent price uncertainty estimates across markets at any given time, so that users and platforms can make the best decisions. This ensures confidence. Ultimately, that's what Pyth provides. the confidence that in a world where you are only as good as your data, you have access to the highest fidelity and time-sensitive data on-chain. That's why Pyth is the fastest growing financial oracle across DeFi, serving more than 100 applications across Layer 1 and Layer 2 blockchains and supporting billions in trading volume for users globally. So don't be pretty confident about your data. Be Pyth confident.
I like that last part, the be confident. So yeah, kind of like Chainlink. I will say though, I try to see who the founders are. I like to see who the founders are, but I couldn't see it. But it says here, Pyth contributors hail from Jump Crypto, Goldman Sachs, Amazon Web Services. They also have like decentralized data contributors like IMC, Flow Traders, OKX, Bybit, Allros. So I couldn't find the founders, and that got me pretty upset, but it is what it is. So they have 500 data feeds, over 410 apps. Trust Pyth with their data, including DEXs, lending protocols, and derivative programs. Integrated in 75 blockchains and 100 million updates per day. So they kind of do everything. They work with everyone. This is kind of their website. It's pretty cool. So yeah, let's go on to price feeds. We can see 488 price feeds. This is all of them. Benchmark, so get historical data, market data from any Pyth feed for use in both on and off chain applications. You could do it like daily. You could also do it weekly as well. This is cool too. If you guys remember the Chainlink video, they have this kind of like randomness, so verifiable source of randomness for smart contracts. So Pyth also does the same. So secure on-chain randomness, build secure smart contracts with probably random numbers from Pyth entropy, launch NFT games and other unique experiences that users trust with seamless UX. So user interface, I think. And the last bit, the Express Relay. So take back control of Express Relay. Integrate directly with searchers to recapture MEV, go to markets faster, accelerate your protocol growth. I think this video is also good to see. So let's take a quick look at it. I think it's just
imagine you're on your way to the movie theater to secure tickets for a new release. These tickets can only be bought at the door and you expect them to be in high demand. However, when you arrive, you find that the shopping mall where the theater is located is auctioning off parking spaces to the highest bidders. The shopping mall is taking advantage of the value created by the movie theater while preventing the cinema from connecting with its audience. This is how blockchain miners extract value from DeFi protocols. They act as an intermediary that controls which searches get prioritized and take massive cuts for themselves, thus creating MEV. Pyth Express Relay eliminates MEV for DeFi protocols, effectively giving movie theaters their own parking lots. Additionally, it offers a network of high-quality searches for reliable liquidations and competitive transactions that return value to protocols. Take back control with Pyth Express Relay. Connect with searches, eliminate MEV, and grow faster.
So yeah, I think that pretty much sums it up. Pretty cool. And these are all like kind of the consumers. So TradeView, Jupiter. They have here also Helium. A lot. You can search by protocol types like games, ETFs, analytics, all the different blockchains that they kind of work with. Is a lot. I didn't even know there were this many blockchains, but you could even do off-chain too, right here. These are their stats. So publisher uptime, for the most part, looks good. PythNet price feed uptime, so it's at 100% right now. Exchange comparison. So this is really important. this is kind of like explaining, I don't know if you can see it, but like the variance or deviation from Binance to Pyth. So the better the accuracy of the price, obviously, it helps out the consumers, because we ultimately end up getting the best price for, in this instance, is Bitcoin, but we could do like Coinbase. I know a lot of people use Coinbase here in the US, so we can see here the different price variations and the price updates as well. And you can go by different fees and chains. So this is kind of their like network overview. So it's up in data providers, up in trade volume, up in price feeds. I think they gotta update it, because I think there's more. So 76 connected blockchains, integration partners, it's also up. Total value secured, 7% down. So, but it goes over who is newly integrated, who's onboarded, and the new blockchains that have been onboarded. So everything is looking up, to be honest. I can't say anything negative so far. And here are the publisher rankings. So this page lists active and inactive price feeds with their quality rankings. So these are all the wallets and the price feeds that they currently help out. Messari, my favorite time. So they also have a lot of good things to say about Pyth. The most important thing, obviously, for me is revenue. And it wasn't really generating revenue until last month, and it shot up 236,000%. So they made in this quarter almost $20,000, which again is pretty bad. Not bad. Obviously, it's growing. I mean, when you grow that much percentage, it only means good. So demand side activity grew by 70% in Q2. So as Pyth published 246 million pull Oracle updates across 70 blockchains, Pyth transitioned to a pull Oracle model on Solana in Q2. I'll leave it. I don't want to get too much into it. I just kind of wanted to mention the revenue. Everything is going up, right? Even if it took a little bit of a dip, it's still not that much compared to every other dip that we have seen in the market, right? Their Twitter is okay. I didn't find anything like too crazy, other than this express relay. They're also attending Breaking Point. If you're attending Breaking Point, like the video, or subscribe, or whatever you want to do. And we can see here developers. They don't have that many developers. I always say I like the developers, but compared to last year, it's up, and it looks like it's steady, right? And that's what we want. So in terms of price prediction, I think this could definitely go up again. I don't like this was so we had a huge unlock like right here. That kind of like diluted it, but we're not gonna see another unlock until next year. You can see that here, right? And again, that's for the publishers and ecosystem growth and protocol development. Only the second lease that they're gonna give out is for private sales. So about $97 million. So I guess in order to talk about Pyth, we need to see how much Chainlink is right now. So Chainlink right now is at about 7 billion, right? Pyth is at the 1 billion. I think it could, I don't see why it shouldn't be at least half of what Chainlink is, especially because I think they're just so much more integrated, and they're in a lot of places. And me, I'm a Solana fanboy. I don't own Pyth, but I own a lot of Solana, and I just think Solana is faster and cheaper than Ethereum, and anything that can compete with Ethereum is always going to get a huge plus for me. The only thing is that obviously with the unlocks happening next year, and it's going to be like about 30%, that kind of scares me. But in the short term, until next year, I don't see why it can't go to 2 to 3 billion. So I'll probably go back to a dollar. Well, a dollar it was. You could probably go back to a dollar 15, maybe a little bit more. If you believe in Chainlink, you definitely believe in Pyth. So, anyways, intro to your thoughts. As always, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not done so already. And I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.